guys, it's Vicky and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. Thanks so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my gel nails from home with everything that's going on right now. Of course, salons and nail salons are closed, rightfully so. So a lot of us are in desperate need of a fill, in desperate need of getting our nails done, just in desperate need of something. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my gel nails at home. I actually haven't gone to a nail salon in 2 years just because I had a really bad experience with my nails being so terribly damaged from having acrylics done and just the whole process. So I decided that I wanted to do it myself. Recently I started turning to gel nails, which was honestly a little bit harder to learn, but so valuable. My nails last for such a long time now, and I love the way that they look and I love how quick it is to do. There is a little bit of trial and error that goes into it, so I wanted to show you guys how I do flawless gel nails at home every time. So if that's a video that you would like to see, make sure that you keep watching. But before I get into the video, really quickly, I just wanted to say, if you enjoy this video while you're watching this video, make sure that you like the video. It really does help me out a lot along the way. If you'd like to do so while you're watching this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell down below so that you never miss another upload from me again. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright you guys, so that's all that I have for today's nail tutorial. I'm really happy with how my nails turned out, like every single time. They're just so nice and durable. It's been about a week since I've done them and they are still looking perfect, beautiful. So I really love this technique and it really does work. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that you found it informative. If you did, let me know down below by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel, and hitting that little notification bell down below so that you never miss another upload from me again. But till the next time, stay kind, keep creating, take care of you, and I will see you very soon.